Welcome to Colina Mews, the latest phase of the Evergreen development, located in an exciting corner of North London, close to Turnpike Lane in Harringay. I'm Lexie Carducci and I'm a property finder based in London. It's my job to help people find the right property for them. Think of me as a property matchmaker. Today, I wanted to chat about the benefits of buying a new build versus an older property and why it could be the perfect choice for you. So come on in to the show home at Colina Mews, a brand new collection of 18 stylish 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom duplexes located in a peaceful North London mews, part of the Evergreen development by Latimer. Each property at Colina Mews is split over 2 floors, so it really creates that homey feel of being in a house. They also each have access to a private outside space, as well as overlooking a tranquil garden square which sits at the heart of the development. The homes have a generous and flexible layout, which brings me to my first point of buying a new build. They are built for modern living. Ranging from over 1,000 square foot to just under 1,300 means the space is large enough for both the family and those who need a work from home setup. So let's talk about old versus new when it comes to property. With rising energy bills and renovation costs, new builds are the easy, economical decision over second-hand homes in terms of sustainability, high quality, and the fact you don't need to renovate. Aside from the versatility that I just mentioned, new build homes are often kitted out with all the latest appliances and mod cons. In fact, Colina Mews ticks these boxes when it comes to both style and specification, with kitchens complete with brand new integrated Bosch appliances, white composite stone worktops, and stainless steel fixtures. Putting a brand new kitchen and or bathroom into an unmodernised property is usually the first thing people do, but it could set you back anywhere between £5,000 and £10,000 each. And you also have to take into consideration not just the supply cost, but the cost of having it fitted too. Plus, having everything brand new and already fitted in a new build brings you peace of mind, knowing each home will have been individually surveyed during construction by the NHBC, the National House Building Council, and will receive a warranty certificate. Being able to move straight into your home and start living your life immediately is a key factor to buying a new build. Let's compare that to an older property in the local area. The borough of Harringay contains a lot of Victorian terraces. An unmodernised 3-bed around the same size as Colina Mews would cost on average around £700,000, if not more. Then you have to take into account all of the work that's needed to get it up to a new build standard. So flooring, kitchens, bathrooms, boilers, heating, reconfiguring the layout, decoration, plumbing, electrics, the list goes on. I just finished a project in West London which cost me about £150 per square foot to renovate. So base that on the average size of an 1,100 square foot 3-bedroom, that's a whopping £165,000. And that's just to renovate, not even thinking about extending. Another huge advantage of buying a new build home is sustainability. Costs are on the rise and we are already seeing energy bills go through the roof. New builds rank exceptionally well on EPCs, Energy Performance Certificates, because they are more energy efficient, including the way they are heated, insulation and double glazing. In fact, Colina Mews is triple glazed. If buying an older property, these are all things to consider. Not to mention, we're becoming increasingly conscious of renewable energy. With London aiming to be net carbon neutral by 2030, it means the way which our homes run will eventually change. Alongside the points I just mentioned to make your home more energy efficient if it's an older property, you may also need to consider things like air source heat pumps, new boilers and solar panels, which are again costly. With new builds, this isn't a worry, as developers will have had to meet the most up-to-date planning and building regulations. For example, Colina Mews has an on-site energy centre supplying heating and hot water, which is more cost-effective and energy efficient.
One of my personal favourite perks of buying a new build is the community. With shared communal spaces and facilities, it's easy to make friends, there's a sense of security, and there's a real neighbourhood vibe. One concern I often get from my clients when it comes to new builds is that they feel they lack uniqueness and character. Well, at Colina Mews, the homes have been designed to complement the character of the local area with elegant architecture. Plus, buying a new build means that it's a completely blank canvas for you to put your own personal stamp on.
But if interior design isn't your thing, then you'll love what's on offer if you reserve a property at Colina Mews off-plan. You can get up to £40,000 towards designing your dream home with the help of an award-winning interior expert.
You can customise your perfect home, from futons to feature walls, and paint colours to pictures.
Colina Mews is tucked just off Green Lanes in Harringay, North London. It's close to Turnpike Lane for the Piccadilly line and Harringay Green Lane station, as well as the walkable green spaces of Duckett's Common, Finsbury Park and Chestnut Park. It's a buzzing quarter of North London, and as well as being renowned for its Cypriot restaurants, it has everything you need from coffee stops to indie shops. It's an easy commute into the city, with King's Cross and Holborn reachable within 30 minutes. And you're also surrounded by notable places to visit, such as Alexandra Palace, London Fields Lido and Highgate Wood, as well as the villages of Crouch End, Stoke Newington and Muswell Hill.
So there you go, a look at an exciting and energetic corner of North London that's home to the calm and relaxing selection of modern builds at Colina Mews. Modern living at its best. Economic, stylish, convenient and comfortable. Prices start from $790,000. For more information, head over to forevergreenlanes.com.